Hello! So today we'll be solving problem 104 of Leetcode, maximum depth of a binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. So, to solve this problem, we'll be using recursion to find the depth of the tree and implement a sort of depth first search. So basically we'll be finding the depth of the tree from bottom up. So if we find the current root, so we find that the current node that we are at is null, then we'll return the value of 0. And that's where we begin our building up from the bottom. So we recurse down the left node, and we'll also recurse down the right node. Then simply we'll return the maximum value between the left and the right nodes plus 1. This is what I mean by counting depth from bottom up, because we go through the entire tree to the bottommost node and then count the depth back on our way back up to the root. To begin coding, we'll put in our base condition. So if the root is null, then we'll return 0. Then we'll recurse down the left and right side and return the maximum volume between the two branches that we have gone down. And that is it. So if we press submit here, you can see that our solution is accepted. Thanks for watching.